Welcome to Bose Professional AMM multi-purpose loudspeakers. They offer the output, flexibility, and clarity you need without the complexity. In this video, I will introduce you to the loudspeakers and subwoofer that make up the AMM portfolio. You will learn of technical specs, explore cabinet construction, and learn which processors or amplifiers are recommended for use with this line. To end the video, I'll provide key takeaways for you to remember. The AMM line features two full-range loudspeakers available in 8-inch or 12-inch options, a 15-inch companion subwoofer, and several accessories to support varying configurations. AMM loudspeakers are multi-purpose on purpose. They feature a versatile point-and-shoot design and consistent voicing so you can mix and match with Bose AM array modules and Bose AMU utility loudspeakers. This includes permanent installations or portable PA setups. The same AMM model can be a main, monitor, fill, or delay solution. Let's review the technical specs of each AMM model. Ideal for a variety of short to medium throw sound reinforcement applications, the AMM 108 is a passive two-way loudspeaker featuring a coaxially mounted 1.7-inch compression driver with an 8-inch low-frequency transducer in a compact, lightweight enclosure. It has a 75 Hz to 20,000 Hz frequency range, a 110 by 60 degree coverage pattern, a sensitivity of 94 dB SPL, and a peak SPL of 128 dB. The AMM 108 has a continuous power handling of 150 watts. It does not support a biamp mode. The AMM 112 is a passive two-way loudspeaker designed for medium throw sound reinforcement applications. It features a coaxially mounted 3-inch compression driver with a 12-inch low-frequency transducer in a compact, lightweight enclosure. It has a frequency range of 60 Hz to 20,000 Hz, a 110 by 60 degree coverage pattern, a sensitivity of 96 dB SPL, and a peak SPL of 131 dB. The AMM 112 includes two operating modes, passive or biamp. When in passive mode, it has a continuous power handling rating of 300 watts. In biamp mode, the low frequency rating is 300 watts, while the high frequency is 45 watts. Both the AMM 108 and AMM 112 lightweight cabinets include large ergonomic handles and 35mm pulse stand adapters for easy transportation and setup. They can easily be rotated to alternate between horizontal and vertical coverage angles. No disassembly or tools required. Their tilt-back monitor angle is 35 degrees, and they both utilize a proprietary beam width matching waveguide to deliver outstanding vocal clarity and projection. Let's peek inside the AMM 112 and look at its construction. Two braces on both sides of the transducer act as a stiffener between the back panel and bottom. Wood ports are used to create a strong joint between the back and sides, while there's also a front wood baffle. Adding to this very robust bracing system, the transducer mounting brackets are also the M10 mounting points, making solid connection from the four sides of the enclosure to the transducer. A thick foam pad behind the compression driver cover acts as a shock absorber for the transducer should it ever encounter enough force to cause it to move towards the bottom floor. Considering the AMM 108 cabinet is much smaller, port geometry is relied on for internal bracing, while everything else follows the same design of the AMM 112. Now let's look at the AMM companion subwoofer. Designed for use with AMM multipurpose loudspeakers, the AMS 115 utilizes a single 15-inch neodymium woofer in a direct radiating, bass reflex tuned enclosure to extend the bass response down to 35 Hz with a top end of 130 Hz. Sensitivity is 90 dB SPL, and it has a peak SPL of 130 dB. The AMS 115 has a continuous power handling of 500 watts. An integrated M20 thread pole mount adapter, handles, and caster mounting points facilitate portable use, while M10 threaded inserts allow for flown installation where required. All AMM models have a nominal impedance of 8 ohms. Their input panels provide two industry-standard NL4 connectors with a wired parallel through. The AMM 112 includes a switch for passive or biamp operation. To provide the best performance and loudspeaker protection, EQ presets for full range, biamp, monitor, and subwoofer operation are required for use with power match amplifiers or Bose control space processors. These presets are also available for PowerSoft X and T series power amplifiers. Several accessories are available for use with the AMM portfolio. They enable you to mount the loudspeakers along a wall, ceiling, or truss, or to pair the AMM 112 and Showmatch SMS 118 subwoofer. That wraps up this overview on AMM multipurpose loudspeakers. Your key takeaways are: AMM loudspeakers are multipurpose on purpose and feature a versatile point-and-shoot design with consistent voicing. Use them alone in permanent installations or portable PA solutions, or even mix and match with Bose AM array modules and Bose AMU utility loudspeakers. The AMM line features two full-range loudspeakers: the AMM 108 available in 8-inch, the AMM 112 for a 12-inch option, and the AMS 115 15-inch companion subwoofer. The AMM 112 can be passively operated or bi-amped. There are no tools or disassembly required to alternate the horizontal and vertical coverage patterns of both the AMM 108 or AMM 112. Thanks for watching this video, and be sure to watch our other AMM videos so you can become an expert.